Battleground Bengal is heating up ahead of the upcoming assembly polls on Saturday. BJP Chief JP Nadda flagged off Rath Yatra as he launched a blistering attack on Mamata. Paulami Saha with this report.
The state election dates are yet to be announced, but these visuals tell you that Bengal is already in poll mode.
यहाँ से परिवर्तन यात्रा की शुरुआत हो गई। ये परिवर्तन सिर्फ सरकार का परिवर्तन नहीं है, ये परिवर्तन विचार का परिवर्तन।
Such type of arguments always come from people who have got a dictatorial mindset. They have got such lame excuses because they do not have any strength in them as far as argument is concerned, as far as the basic content in polity is concerned. They don't have it.
BJP, the principal challenger to the ruling Trinamool Congress, is sharpening its campaign.
हमारी ममता दीदी की आदत है, अपना तो कुछ है नहीं, लेकिन चीटिंग में भी आगे रहती है, चीटिंग में।
BJP President JP Nadda flagged off the Parivartan Yatra from Navadip in Bengal's Nadia district, and it was a TMC Supremo who was in his crosshair.
There is an aspiration among the people of Bengal. They are fed up with the corruption, with the cut money. They are fed up with tola baji. They are very disturbed and they want an alternative. And they find alternative in Bharatiya Janata Party.
BJP has planned to organize similar yatras from different parts of the state, but the Mamata government is yet to give official permission, which has led to fireworks.
देखिए, परमिशन मिल जाएगा तो बीजेपी चंगा हो जाएगा और नहीं मिलेगा तो जरूर पंगा होगा, क्योंकि लोकतंत्र में बंगाल में 1 इंच जमीन भी आप बिना संघर्ष से आगे नहीं सकते। 135 लोगों की हमारी जान गई, फिर भी हम डटे हुए हैं और इसको अंतिम परिणाम तक जब तक परिवर्तन नहीं होता है हम लड़ते रहेंगे।
While dilly-dallying over permission to BJP's Yatra, TMC's bike rally has got the required nod. Thousands of motorcycles crisscrossing the Nadia district. TMC held back no punches when targeting the Saffron Brigade.
নবদ্বীপ থেকে রথযাত্রা শুরু করবেন জেপি নাড্ডা।
আরে বললাম তো, রথ তো একটাই জানে, পুরীর রথ, মহেশের রথ, জগন্নাথের রথ। জগন্নাথের রথ আবার এরা কবে জগন্নাথ হলো আমার জানা নেই।
दूध मांगो तो खीर देंगे और बीजेपी वालों याद रखो, बंगाल मांगो तो बंगाल की जनता तुम लोग को थप्पड़ देके चीर देंगे, मार देंगे, उखाड़ के फेंक देंगे।
If the face-off over the Parivartan Yatra is anything to go by, then 2021 could prove to be one of the most fiercely contested battles for the 294-strong West Bengal Legislative Assembly. It appears that the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Trinamool Congress have only just begun locking horns. With camera person Rakesh Tiwari, Paulami Saha in Navadip, Nadia district for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.